pleasing sight for any bowler. The ball is just sailing over the fence.
That must be close. Let's see the...
He has smashed that a long, long way. That is great to watch for the neutral, not so good for the bowler.
That's a brilliant shot, right off the meat of the bat. That was 6 as soon as he hit it. That's in the stands. 6 runs. This partnership is really frustrating the bowlers.
You can't set fields for a shot like that. Brilliant!
They were diving for cover with that one.
Exciting player. There's risk in that stroke, but it is maximum. Exciting power in that hook. He is so strong in this stroke, so strong.
They were diving for cover in the stand there.
He absolutely loves to play that shot. It's a big run earner for him too.
And the end of the over.
Well, he can't afford to give away runs at this stage, so get him out of the attack and get someone on who won't.
That is a glorious stroke.
Oh, another one of those, and this bowler will be out of the attack.
There's his century.
What a feeling. That is the feeling for any batsman. You won't see a man look happier.